everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Anna Vanila. If you didn't know who I am Anna Vanila, and I'm back. I've been going through a time when I had an infection on my cheek and I couldn't properly eat, I couldn't just feel right, I couldn't sleep at night, so the infection went down after antibiotics. So now I'm healthy and strong. So thank you very much for waiting for my videos and for subscribing, and there is more to come soon. Okay, thank you very much for watching and subscribing. Please like my videos and stay tuned.